From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back to East Texas Live. Joining me now is Dr. Guge, the founder of Sleep Medicine Institute. He's here to talk about a recently cleared invention. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, David. Thank you for inviting me here.
Yes, sir. So first, can you just tell me, what you've been up to since we last saw you?
Over the last 10 years, I built Sleep Medicine Institute of Texas, which is a adult and pediatric sleep disorder center to treat patients with sleep disorders. And while doing that, invented a lot of things, medical devices, have patents in various fields of medicine, and built a biotechnology company, AI Omega.
Yes, sir. So first, can you just, what's your mission with the AI Omega?
AI Omega is a biotechnology company that is built with the mission of innovating and inventing new healthcare and wellness and fitness products while keeping in mind the cost and complications of healthcare. So we want to build cost-effective medical devices that also help people.
Yes, sir. What's the impact you're hoping to achieve with this?
I was doing CPAP machines for sleep apnea. We've been doing that for about 2 decades now. And for the longest time, we were seeing patients who just couldn't tolerate a lot of things related to CPAP. For example, the mask and the discomfort, the air pressures, the machine, carrying it around when you travel. And overall, you may not know this, perhaps you may, 700,000 people stop wearing a CPAP machine every year.
Oh, wow.
And so that's a huge number of people. And for the longest time, doctors were focused only on CPAP therapy for snoring and sleep apnea. Unfortunately, those that couldn't tolerate the CPAP machine were left with no other choice. There was quite a few dentists in the United States that were making oral appliances in the last 10 years. And I observed what they were doing, and they were making oral appliances for snorers. Unfortunately, most of the people wearing those oral appliances are finding discomfort. Their jaws were getting bound up, locked up. They were getting, changing in their bites. They were getting discomfort while wearing it. And so they would stop wearing the devices because of jaw pain and discomfort. There's a big gap between doctors who are prescribing CPAP machines and dentists who are doing oral appliances, in the sense that doctors didn't subscribe to oral appliance therapy, so they never referred patients back there. And the dentists couldn't diagnose sleep apnea, and so they wouldn't refer patients to the sleep doctors. And in this whole process, the patients were left untreated. So I took it upon myself to come up with an innovative design, patented those designs, over 6 different patents, and then built AIO Breathe and a range of health and fitness devices, and that's where we are today.
Yes, sir. We heard that you had a really tough process going to get the FDA clearance. Can you just talk about this new product that you made?
Of course. This is the AIO Breathe. For those of you who are watching, it's got 2 parts, the upper part and the lower part. They fit together nicely, and as the mouth opens, the airway opens incrementally. So this device, we took it to the FDA, and the FDA has cleared this for use in sleep apnea and snorers. It's a very lightweight device, very new, modern technology and materials, biocompatible material, and very comfortable to use. Essentially, the game changer are the flanges. You may have seen appliances that fit like football players and other things. But the flanges are the ones that really drive the process. They open up the airway as you open your mouth. So it's a on-demand increase in airflow, whether you're asleep or awake. And so if you're one of those who snores or has been diagnosed with sleep apnea, then this is the device for you.
Yeah, I'll be snoring. I might need to give me one of those because I'll be tired.
Yes, and you look like you work out a lot. For you, this health and fitness device that is very similar to this device, that may be the one for you. And it's almost the same, as you can see. It's been mounted on a model, and there's how that one looks. mounted on your teeth. But that would be very good for you to increase your stamina and lower your heart rate, core body temperature and sweating, and therefore you can go longer.
Yes, sir. So if somebody wants to get their hands on one of these type of diets, where can they go to get more information about that?
Well, being a medical device, the AIO Breathe will hopefully be marketed through every dentist. We have 190,000 dentists in the US alone, and sleep doctors. And you could get diagnosed with sleep apnea and ask your doctor about using the AIO Breathe for sleep apnea. If you're a health and fitness buff and you want to up your game, be more cut up, get stronger, then you can go online on the papstore.com, which is our digital platform, and essentially buy directly from us.
And my last question is what does it mean for you to make something like this to help people?
It's an incredible feeling of relief. In fact, people who struggle with sleep apnea develop high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, strokes, dementia. It is very sad to see these outcomes. Most medical conditions have multiple options of therapy. And having just a CPAP machine for sleep apnea just didn't make sense to me for the last 10 years. And so I'm so thankful to be able to bring this to market.
All right. Thank you so much for coming in and showing us this new product. For more information on this new technology, you can go to the website right here on your screen.